That's it?
That's it.
So there's not a case or anything?
You already doing counseling, so ain't nothing else I can do for you. Like,
okay.
That's what I said. I'm trying to tell you, just be careful what you post.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate it.
No problem.
Bye-bye, be safe. God bless child. I'm tired for telling you, me a God bless child. When I call CPS for me again, because I take up my picnic 4 o'clock and gone up on my man yard.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. Hope you're on a wonderful day today, but there's a few interesting topics I see popping in dancehall that we need to discuss. Not in any particular order, so it's extremely important to watch to the end of the video so you don't miss a thing. With that being said, people, who is the king of the charts? Put in the comment section because me say I pray you are going with Alkaline them, you know. Man says like they might try to size up with the world boss, you see me, but the only competition the king sees is his kids. You see me, I say, as you can see, Likkle Addi beat him daddy on the charts. Yes, as you know, Vybz Kartel put out, you know, like the first day out of the feds basically, with Lego my t-shirt. You see me, I say, it's been trending for 25 days. #1 on YouTube with over, you know, 5 million views. You see me, I say, and it only took his son to knock him out of that position there. He don't know the thing said. Children are our future. Teach them well and let the children... boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. No people, but real talk though. You see what I say? Because I see what the fans them on the data side, they must say, you know. You see what I say? And you know, they must say such man turn a vlogger and all of these things and nothing now go on for him, which we know is furthest from the truth. You see what I say? So let's look at the stats then. So as you can see, the world boss was anticipating his defeat, as you know, he mentioned his sons look like him both and knock him out of the position, which his son confirmed. And you know, as you can see, knocked off for the charts. You see what I say? Put in the comment section where you think about that, because this is an Alkaline. And him team them I buy up the whole of them all song them to make it look like say him #1 on all of the charts them, as you can see in front of you. But we all know that these things can be manipulated. And like I said, I'm just working off for what the fans them is saying. As you can see, one of the letters say one thing with such man that does since lately a vlog what go on for him that are always #1 year. That you see, some people put that in the comment section where you think about that, because we know say Alkaline done submit him song them for like 3 categories for the Grammy. You know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Well, anything about that, because anything some of us chat. So see our next comment here after the Grammy posting by Alka's sister, who had opinion with Kartel's opinion, not mentioning her bro. We did that review already, but see the comment then just so say true, make them fight over one category. Different till him diverse. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. It's gonna be quite interesting because obviously Alkaline is trying to win at least 1 Grammy in several categories. And I mean, so I can walk away with a thing to try and make the king look away. You know, about 75 albums has been submitted, like I said earlier. Shensia Spice, just to name a few. It's Massacre, TJ, Raging King, Dexter Daps. You know, obviously Vybz Kartel, you know, Party With Me, EP. You see what I say? So it's gonna be quite interesting, but you know, the heavily you know, the people them say Mali are gonna win it anyway, you see what I say? But I'm just let you know what I go on for that to go on at least with the entertainment news aspects of dancehall. You see what I say? Let's proceed to the next. Okay, people, time for the bagga and mix up another day or so far. Okay, now I see a lot of people saying that I'm biased when it comes to IVANY, but people, I am not these people's parent. You feel me? God, judge or juror, you feel what I'm saying? And all I can do is give positive messages. You see it? And this is why I said the other day on my live, you know, people just have to keep the law in mind when they do things, because you have unscrupulous people out here building cases on you. You see, man, I said, I'm a screenshot every little thing. You know what I mean? I go up on IVANY 8th page and I say I step on it with a big red circle running forehead saying Coco there, and the girl that do things to her pitney and X, Y, and Z, which we know is furthest from the truth. So let's hear what go on for her to go on, because you know she and Candy did inner things, but they, as you can see, But my other channels, them you see myself. Yeah.
That's it?
That's it.
So there's not a case or anything?
You already doing counseling, so ain't nothing else I can do for you. Like,
Okay,
that's
thank
what I said. I'm trying to tell you, just be careful what you post.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate it.
No problem.
Bye-bye. Be safe. God bless child. I'm tired for telling you, me a God bless child. When I call CPS for me again, because I take up my pitney 4 o'clock and gone up on my man yard. When I call CPS for me, thinking that they were going to open a case, the lady said there's nothing she can do because I'm already seeking counseling. Remember, they called CPS for me already because them sent me in a car with ice. Then call CPS for me because them sent me in a car with ice and I never have no car seat. That day when me did sit down in the car with him. Then call CPS for me. Them tell them I'm not in a car seat and oh me I beat the baby and the baby face always bruise up. When CPS come, them sister ice is perfectly fine. The manager say we're gonna close our case because there's nothing for us to review. Our baby totally fine. But before we close the case, may I just take some counseling class. Do a couple hours and then book done. I have about 2 more hours Tuesday morning and I'm that done with. So now you see me take up my pitney and I can pitney go my man yard and you call CPS for me again. And I see the case not even open, much less closed. The woman just come, give me one paper for read because I don't see counseling. And she gone about her business. Take a picture, ice asleep. Oh, cute baby. And she gone. She gone. You know, so I not left out yet because I don't have to wake up ice and it don't make no sense. I now wake ice. Anytime ice wake, at the time that I left out. I'm asleep right now. Anytime ice wake, at the time that I go left out. So I can't. If that now keep the chat positive, block out them blood clot, afraid? Come on, my team. 2 honor catch his speed. 2 hands are thing catch it, you know, guys.
Queen, thank you.
Guys, 2 honor team catch it.
Say thank you. Guys, drop your heart me, team. Drop your heart me, team. Drop your heart me. Drop your heart me, team. Your heart me, them team. If you have your heart me, right beside my name there, guys. Drop your heart me, guys. It's a triple team.
Guys, 2 honor. My team is a ×3. Catch this for me now, please. 2 hands art, somebody. Hands art. Thank you, Shy. Guys, do the airport, Shy. 1 next anart or 1 donut. 1 anart or 1 donut. Jesus Christ. Thank you, Queen. All my life. Alright, guys, ×3. I don't know where them I put up gloves. Miska. ×3, my team. ×3. May I eat my little shrimp and stuff where I cook last night. Guys, use the ×3 now. I can't come boy. Don't let them know. Why my back up this? Why? Jesus Christ, you know my spine. Well, it rough for me. Mr. Mommy Sweetness, you don't say people then call CPS for me again. And still lose again. Y'all bitches are crazy. Y'all bitches are crazy. Like, what the fuck? Y'all are crazy as Jesus, I look for them and them man vex. I only can't make it up for Halloween. I for your business, that's it. They not come all the time because they not gonna know my new address. They not gonna know my new address, you know. guys, only thing I can say is only thing I can say is 6 is about to give me 6 and I have to break this, please. I see that galaxy but I don't know who send it yet. Wait. Me on full. Who send me galaxy? Shy! Guys, Shy, level up. Shy is a level 50. 50 bad Shy have. Hello? Have look of respect. You can't talk to me. Shy, thank you so much. MVP Queen. KD, Title, everybody big up. All of my gifters. Power tappers big up me sooner. 500k, road to 600k. Guys, at 6 so I'll give me.
Boy, Vani, for you put under something for your eye, bro.
You don't worry about that.
Nothing now go on. Yeah, run with people in, man. Guys, everybody power tap chat.
So you come from my pages, stocks now go up. Let me go check it and see. You better fill up too much classes.
You just had those stocks, girl.
Your money now go up, Kaya. Jesus.
You watch your money, and I saw you do trading. And I saw you buy stocks and them something down the trading. Just watch your money, so. Low the money, man. Low it alone. How are this, man?
So you know some people watch it and see if it drop or up.
You know say Joe left it and go look back. You know say Joe left him and go look back by morning. As some people trade. If I trade you can't just watch it so. Oh, I just make $5. Oh, you drop back to $3. Oh, low money alone, man.
So look on it tomorrow?
Yeah. Tomorrow you see God 1,000. You say Jesus Christ.
So it will move from money in.
How much you know?
So it will move. It can move from 127 go up to 1,000.
Forgot to say you just start trade.
It did a 135 and then it go back at 127. Oh, how much it can go up to 1,000?
What if it happy? If you mark it good, you must can go up to 1,000.
I never know. Me think me have to. Me the thing say once. So when it turn green, when it reach what? How much?
Yeah.
Can go 135 and this no green. When it go green?
What do you mean when it go green?
This
when
no,
it go up?
this for green.
She just jump while ago.
Yeah, but even when it the 135, it not turn green. So it have to go like 1,000 feet turn green.
No.
Oh.
Go on YouTube and them can teach you how you link this lady that name Big Queen. But probably you know how to do different type of trading because I think she do like stocks trading.
Oh, she did over here a while ago. When people, when it's more than what you paid for. Oh, you don't know what the fuck him match at. So listen to him and I invest a different thing him doing. You know?
Alright.
But me pay 130 feet and it go 135 and it never change green. Yes, say when it. Yes, say when. Yes. Look, 6, look. I pay 130 feet and a 130 when it don't green.
Alright. Tell you if Lord is something, Lord is something. Just watch your money.
6, nothing wrong if you watch it. That's how you learn, you know. That's how you actually learn. Remember, me new.
Go watch some YouTube video and study up while that I grew up. You know, I watch it. Oh, it just jumped to $5. Oh. So watch your money, so if that's
me not even watch it for see if me make $5. I green and the redness and the orangeness me and watch.
Take up on YouTube and check out what's that about the greenness and the redness.
I go do it.
That you must do. Me, I did say watch it. What they thought.
Every time you say something, go down.
Guys, stop off the screen, the chat.
It's like a special demon upon you.
No demon upon me, I bind that and I send it back to the
sender. So when
sender.
I watch it myself, it go up. I did a 136 and every time you
come off the app and make me go and beg and go watch it.
Every time you open your mouth, it drop. Now it the 127.
So me cannot come off of the app and make me go and beg and you go watch it.
And me a blood clot tell. Watch her. 126. Talk again. Talk again now.
Check. Okay. Alright, I don't talk you now.
No, a true female boss journey go 127.
You don't talk you now. Guys, everybody talk, guys. From I say check, you see $2 add-on. About 125 in the day now, I say check, $2.
Say, don't stop, say.
Leave me alone. Guys, tap up the screen, the chat.
Say it now.
It's a go.
Say. Don't stop, say.
Yeah, put down in the comment section what you think about that. Like I said, you can go up on my dancehall story channel, my Credible Boss channel story. This is what I go on because IVANY said them girl, yeah, copy our style, but them flop themselves because them get longer fingernails, which end up have doodle upon it and all of this stuff. You see, I say, no, have them have no shape. You don't know the things, people, because them bring up ice name and all of this stuff, you feel me? Boy, oh boy. Let's proceed to the next. Hey, people, okay, it look like, say, naturals versus designers, because PAMPUTTAE and, Star is coming out defending, if you should, go under what, or if you should go into the gym, you see what I say? And I'll explain why you see Nicky Chromas and Toothless Monster, you see what I say, on your screen.
Some I want to stop blaming the doctor them will do nobody. Stop blaming the people them, because when the people them do nobody, want to come out, want to eat everything. Want to not cleanse. Want to need to find vegan cleanse in the system and start eat different. Yeah, and God gym. Someone who want to do nobody, I expect that the body I gonna stay look good. So no, you have to maintain. If you buy a house, you not maintain it, will run down. If you have a farm, you not maintain it, the farm will run down. Anything you do, you not maintain, it will run down. So if you do your body, you have to maintain it. You cannot eat everything what you see. And you not work out. You can't do that. You have to try and maintain. Truth is the truth. You can't do body, you not maintain. You have to maintain. You have to visit the gym even 2 to 3 times for the week. And maintain. You can't expect that the doctor them out there you're gonna stay solid and look good so. No, so remember you're getting old. Everyone over here get old, your skin a drop day by day. And every year you lose a percentage of your muscle. So you have to maintain the body. So you go do your body and feel like say you're gonna stay so for all the day life. No, you have to maintain. Maintain. Girl, if you're going to eat the knife 2 to 3 times and you still not getting the result, visit the gym, girl. Visit the gym. Because someone who want to do nobody and want to eat who don't want to eat. Now maintain the body. You must expect say your body are going to look good now. You have to keep up. You can't do your body and not keep up. You have to visit the gym. You have to maintain your body. Doing your body and not maintain. You have always want to go and eat the night. Worse, if you never shape good from morning and no night, you're in a problem, my girl. If you do your body enough time and it now work out, visit the gym, change your diet. You have to do that.
A lot of you think I did a BBL twice. Let me show you something. So these photos are from 2022. Many of you kind people will say I wasn't that fat, but I also had a fat hot one. Look closely. That's me, almost 160, 2022. And this video is of me 2 days ago in 2024 in the same exact outfit. You see, my butt has not changed much. So let's break this down. First, I did a BBL because everyone in my family had a big butt except me, so I bought one. It looked very natural. I gained weight. I did not do a BBL. I did lipo. But now that I'm 160, this is my booty. And it's big. So when I do lipo, I'm not going to lose any booty. The point is, I didn't add more fat to my butt. I just got fat and then I got lipo. And if you are struggling to find the energy to get in the gym, it's because you need to be drinking chlorophyll. You can also take the capsule. And of course, this was going to be a video about cookie wash or chlorophyll. I think I'm just talking about my butt for no reason. I want you guys to be healthy. DM Rush if you want to know the doctor and get in the gym. Before you do lipo, after you do lipo, just get in the gym. Thanks for watching.
Yes, put in the comment section what you think about what both ladies had to say. Because as a lady can say, PAMPUTTAE message was posted after Star. You know what I mean? I'm not going to read it out. I can't read it for myself. You see what I said? This is both of their messages she sent me. You know what I mean? And nobody didn't call no name. So, I don't want to attribute these type of mix-up on them. But let's get to the mix-up. putting out the comment section, oh, she attack, because she never called no name, and me just put, Dovey name in that because, Dovey come out bashing designer body the other day, saying that she wouldn't do this.
Designer body. I would not recommend anyone. And I mean that on a very serious and a level for respect for females and their confidentiality and the privacy and the safety. Okay?
And because of that, she and Nikki Crum must catch up in an argument because Nikki had defend, the woman business that Dovey begged, to the surgery and recovery house and all of this stuff. And you can see she's calling, Nikki a thief because she herself is a hustler and a risk taker. But if you've been following me for the years, I lie, she tell you. See, I say, we've been exposed. We was the first one to expose that she did designer body. And she said she never went to designer body, and I know designer body never posted. As you can see, Nikki Crum has reposted everything from my IG post. It's say. Then I go read out Nikki response on, and I can press pause on the screen and see what I want for not to go on. And this is why Nikki, hasn't responded to, the thief in loom claims and all of this. This is some people, but we have more bagger mix up to deal with. So make sure and like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.